In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to transform one still image into a video like this just by one click with the help of Canva. So make sure you stick to me till the end, and for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Go to Canva free account and go to app section, and here type photo upscaler, image upscaler. Go to image upscaler option, choose the file. Here they will show till what extent you want to upscale. I want to go for 4x and then upscale the image. It completely depends on the basic image pixel rate. If it is in PNG, you will see the upscalable possibility or provision is low. Now you can see the difference. Before it was so blurry and now it is so clear. Visible difference is there. Okay, and then go add to design option. It will take a while to upload it, and then I will show you. Right click and set it as background. This is the upscaled image, and the original image was this one. So you can fairly see so much of grain was there, and here there is no grain at all. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section, and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. To make an animated video out of this image, what should we do? Select the image and go to edit image option, the top left hand side corner. Now go to this magic grab option. Well, this is a pro version, so if you don't have pro, then please go to the link given in the description. You can get pro account for free for 30 days and get altogether 13 months subscription once you take it. You can cancel anytime. Now you'll have to select the object and then go to grab. Now this is separated. Okay, position it in the same place. Now keeping it selected, go to animate option. Here make sure photo animation option is selected. Now here come downwards and go to this breathe animation, and for the first layer we are going to give breathe out animation and keep the scale all the way to right hand side. Okay, now you can see there is a problem. The image itself is kind of coming in front, so you'll have to make sure that the image is little bigger like so, and go to the background. Again same way, you will have to take breathe animation itself, and this time I will go for breathe in and go the scale to take the scale to all together right hand side position. Now if I play it, if you play it from here, so I'll go to share option, download the image in MP4 format. Make sure only the first page is selected, done, and download. Like this, you can animate any photo and create a nice video out of it. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.